of Dominica. Your Excellency, you have the floor.
Excellencies, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to the COP presidency and the Republic of Azerbaijan on behalf of the Commonwealth of Dominica. Thank you for your support, kindness, and hospitality. Dominica, like all small island developing states, are among the most vulnerable to impacts of climate change. Today, I present on behalf of a country that has one of the highest GDP losses due to climate-related disasters. We are facing major threats despite contributing minimally to global greenhouse gases emission. Increased frequency of extreme weather events directly jeopardize our ecosystems, our economy, and the everyday lives of our people. The impact on us is profound, affecting our national food security and tourism, all of which are essential aspects of our development and stability. As a frontline island in the climate crisis, we underscore the urgency for ambitious global action and for stronger financial support for adaptation and resilience. This will safeguard our future and preserve our unique natural and cultural features. Whenever major events affect us, we always use our limited financial resources. Dominica has invested heavily in building resilience, infrastructure, and human capacity, with the vision of being the world's first climate-resilient nation in the world. This was on the heels of Hurricane Maria, which destroyed 226% of our GDP overnight in 2017. In response, we have mainstreamed resilience across the public sector and created policies to guide us. We have also invested in geothermal energy as an alternative to fossil fuels. All of these are expensive ventures. Dominica calls on all of us to address pivotal areas in global climate policy. We must set a new climate finance goal to replace the previous 100 billion annual target. We support the Caribbean community continued call for doubling of climate finance from 2019 levels by 2025 in accordance with the Paris Agreement. We are not satisfied with the Adaptation Fund falling short of its contribution targets and developed countries not staying true to their pledge of doubling their contributions. We must also build on the foundation of the Loss and Damage Fund established at COP28 to enhance its financial reach and operational structure. We also call for transparent, inclusive, and accessibility process to these funds. This will facilitate quality, quick, and effective assistance to all of us hardest hit. Dominica supports all countries represented here who empathize and emphasize transition from adaptation planning to implementation. We're also mindful that this COP coincides with global efforts addressing biodiversity, COP16, and land degradation, COP16 Riyadh. These promote a holistic approach that ties climate action to ecosystem health and community resilience. In the end, we must all seek to boost commitments while also enhancing financial and structural support for sustainable development and climate resilience. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency.